I can see it in your eyes that you are restless. The time has come for you to leave. It's so hard to let you go, but in this life I know you have to be who you were made to be.
Obedient.
As you step out on the road, I'll say
Charismatic.
Dedicated.
always will be there.
Compassionate.
Expert.
This is not
Approachable.
I know we'll meet again.
Entertaining.
So let your life
Inspiring.
begin, 'cause
Impactful.
goodbye.
God-fearing,
It's just I love you to
supportive,
take with you.
Competent.
An audacious teacher.
The stirring in your soul has left you wondering, should you stay or turn around? Well, just remember that your dreams, they are a promise, that you were made to change the world. So don't let fear stop you now, 'cause this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. Oh, I know the brightest star above was created by the one who loved more than we'll ever know, to guide you when you're lost. What started as a still small voice is raging now, and your only choice is to follow who you are. So follow who you are, 'cause this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again. Oh, this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home. It is I love you to take with you until you're home.
To our master, Lailani Rodriguez, aka Lani, and soon to be one of the school leaders in Davao City Division beginning today. I wish you all the best in your endeavor, and I am so happy that the time has come for you to lead one school in the division of Davao City. I was lucky that I was able to work with you during pandemic time when I was assigned in Bisaya Heights Elementary School. Your attitude towards work is worthy of emulation. Marami tayong pinagsamahan doon sa pandemic time, and together with you, you never falter in doing your job despite all the struggles and difficulties during pandemic time. Much more in having online meeting and online classes with the teachers and with the students. You being the teacher of Bisaya Heights Elementary School the master teacher of Bisaya Heights, I'm proud that I was part of your journey from teacher to become a school leader. I am happy to hear the news. And today marks the day that you'll be leading a school. And as you will lead the school, make a difference as you make difference in your former school in GSIS Heights. Together, we will make our learners worthy, and together, we will make this nation a greater nation. Mabuhay and stay connected with us. This has been your school principal in GSIS Heights Elementary School, now in Don Manuel Gutierrez Elementary School. I will say mabuhay, and as I end this message, allow me to quote one beautiful verse in the Bible that is found in Isaiah chapter 60 verse 22. I, the Lord your God, when the time is right, I will make it happen to you. Mabuhay!
Hi Lani, congratulations! Ba, among ginasiling jati mo, jatakon, dream came true gid ba? Deserve mo na Lan, kay maunang plano sa Ginoo sa imo. Thank you so much Lan for everything, for being kind, compassionate and very understanding. You are truly a good leader of the school. Stay pretty always, ayaw magpa-stress, kay magdamo uban mo, tapos ilab mo ang mga teachers mo para in return, ilab po kanila. Hindi mag-inistrikta ha. Love you, God bless you.
Hi, Ma'am Lani. This is it. Muon na jud ni ang time. Actually, dugay na kaayo minangando yung mahimo kang principal. But you know, Ma'am Lan, God has really a good timing and a perfect timing. And mao na gid ni ang time nga imo na jud nakuha, nakabot ang imuhang kanang desire. I know nga nag-desire ka nga mahimong principal because you worth it. Bagay kay ka mahimong principal. The coolest principal I've known na hapit na ko mag-retire pero napag ay ang chances na makita na ako na mahimo kang principal. Thank you so much, Ma'am, sa imuhang pagkamaayos ako by the time na naapa ko sa GSIS, sa panahon nga nag-thesis ko. Ikaw jud ang nag-help sa ako. You are one of my grammarian and thank you so much for that. Dili ka dalo sa imuhang mga knowledge. Ikaw ang master teacher nga nahibaw-an ako nga dili jud dalo and willing to help kung mo-ask lang og help nimo. And thank you so much for the time nga nagkaila ta. And I love you so much, Ma'am Lani. Good luck sa bag-o nimo na task. I know kaya nimo na because you are blessed with a brilliant mind and you are so smart. And good luck also sa bag-o nimo nga school. I know you can really make it kay maayo kay ka mag-decide sa mga bagay-bagay. And once again, I leave you with this quote that says, God has perfect timing, never early, never late. It takes a little patience, and it takes a lot of faith, but it's worth the wait. And mao na gid na ang nahitabo sa imuha. Congratulations, Ma'am Lani, and good luck. I love you so much.
Hi, Ma'am Lani! Ecclesiastes 3 verse 1 says, there is a time for everything and a season for every activity under the heavens. Indeed, your time has come, and you know that I am one of the many people who are rejoicing with you right now. As your mentee, I can testify that you deserve to be a principal or a supervisor in the future. Why not? Anyway, thank you for believing in me, and thank you for being my mother and friend during my stay at GSIS Heights ES. I said this before to you before I left the country, and I'll say it again. Thank you for being a great mentor to me. Sorry, I'm very poignant these days. I am just genuinely happy of what you have achieved. With God's guidance and provision, I am very confident that you can make a difference in your new station at Banganga ES. And I know that you can inspire and influence more teachers as you have done in GSIS Heights ES and the whole Matina district. It is my prayer that blessings and favors shall follow you wherever you go. Congratulations and see you soon. Bye!
Hello, Ma'am Lan. Congratulations on your promotions. I'm so proud of you, and you deserve all the success in life, and you deserve to be promoted. You've worked hard for it. You have been a mentor to all of us in GSIS Heights Elementary School. You have been our leader. Thank you so much for everything that you have done. I've learned a lot from you, and please continue to soar higher as you go to your new station. I am so proud of you, Ma'am Lan. Amping kanunay. Bye!
Hello, Ma'am Lan. Congratulations! Principal na jud ako ang mentor sa unang. I'm so happy for you. And you know, your guidance and support have been invaluable to me. And I am truly inspired by your dedication, leadership, and commitment to excellence. This promotion of yours is a testament of your hard work, and the positive impact you've made on so many lives, including mine. Unta, dili ka mausab, Ma'am Lan, dili ka makalimot sa inyong mga teachers, and I hope na unta mahimot kang principal diri sa among school. How I wish stay humble and jud, Ma'am Lan, always stay kind as you are. I know that you're always that kind heart within you, and ayaw jud kalimot pag-ask guidance kay Lord, kay aron i-guide ka niya in everything that you do. Once again, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. Thank you.
Hi, Nani! Congratulations! In God's perfect time, niabot rin yung imong wish na bago ka maka-retire, makahandle ka og school. Basta mga buutan, ihatag yun na ni Lord. Ma'am Lani, you're one of the best mentor that I ever had. Very kind, supportive, ug walay makabangbang sa kagwapa. No joke. Basta, Ma'am Lan, happy jud ko para sa imo. Good luck and God bless sa imong new station. Unta, happy ka always dito para maintain ang duty. O sa pang-adlaw-adlaw na biyahe, ingat, God bless, see you around.
Lani, congratulations for your new assignment. You continue to be a blessing to every teachers na imong matouch. Continue to be a good leader and a good model for being excellent in everything you do. God bless you sa imong pagbalhin sa school, and you continue to grow where you are planted. God bless you.
Hello po, Ma'am Lani. Sus, I'm so very proud of you. I'm so very happy na dreams comes true gyud sa imuhang wish in life nga maging isang principal. Happy kaayo ko sa imo, ma'am. Although sad po gamay kay syempre maiba na ang imuhang district. Pero saon ing anak jud ang life, so move on ta for a higher position. So happy kaayo ko, ma'am. God bless you so much. God bless you sa imuhang new journey in life. So, saludo kay ko sa imo, ma'am. So, very happy, and this is God's will, and this is it. Thank you.
Hi, Ma'am Lan. Congratulations on your promotion. I am happy to congratulate you on your well-deserved success. This achievement is a reflection of your dedication, leadership, and passion to education. Your commitment to inspire our learners and support our colleagues has always been evident. And I'm proud to say that I am one of those whom you have mentored, especially when I was a neophyte in the department. As you step into this new role, I believe that your vision and guidance will uplift the entire society. Your leadership will really make an impact. I believe that you can do it, and surely you can make a difference. Continue to shine. Congratulations once again. Wishing you more success and fulfillment into this new exciting chapter. See you around.
Hello, Maring Lai. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you, Maring. Good luck to your new station. Wish you all the best. Don't be stressed. Ang importante, Maring, buhi ug malipayon. I love you. God bless.
Good day to all GSIS Heights Elementary School teachers and to Sir Anson Makaday, the principal. I am very pleased to know that I am a part of your sending off program and celebration to Miss Lailani Rodriguez, the newly produced principal of GSIS Heights Elementary School. Congratulations, Lan, to this superb milestone of your DepEd journey. God has been hearing your heart's desire, and His plan for you is timely given now. You've been a master teacher for a number of years, and you have shown and lead your co-teachers and colleagues very responsibly, calmly, and fairly. You lead by example. During my time, way back 2014 to 2018, 4 years in companionship, you were one of my trusted colleagues in this school. Bisag nag-leave ko og 1 month, the school was managed well because of your leadership as an OIC that time. Your potential in leadership and mentorship skills will surely be an advantage in leading the entire school successfully. Our division is fortunate in appointing you to lead a school. Good luck and God bless you, Lan, to your new journey as principal. Again, congratulations and welcome to the club. Regards sa tanan nga mga teachers nga nagkagwapa here. Hopefully, ma-inspire mo sa journey ni Ma'am Lani. And daapay daghan nga ma-promote as master teachers and as well as principal na originally made in GSIS. Thank you, Miss Bilen Bencho and Miss Julaila for reaching me out and be a part of this celebration. Again, have a pleasant day and mabuhay tayong lahat.
Ma'am Lan, congratulations and good luck to your new station.
Congratulations, Ma'am Lan. Congratulations. Congratulations, Ma'am Lan. God bless.
Congratulations! 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 Congratulations, Ma'am Lani! Hey! Congratulations!
Congratulations!
On the road, I'll say a prayer so that